Want to add friends on Roblox? Adding friends lets you play games together, chat, and easily join each other's experiences. In this guide, I'll show you how to add friends on Roblox step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or visit the official Roblox website and sign in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Roblox home page. Next, click the search bar at the top of the page and type your friend's Roblox username. Press enter and select the correct profile from the search results. Once you're on your friend's profile, click the Add Friend button. Your friend will receive a friend request and can choose whether to accept or decline it. After sending the request, wait for your friend to accept it. Once accepted, they'll appear in your friends list, making it easier to chat, join games, and see when they're online. Now open your friends list to view your new friend. From there, you can visit their profile, join supported games they're playing, or send messages if the platform and privacy settings allow it. And that's how to add friends on Roblox. Building your friends list makes it easier to enjoy multiplayer experiences, discover new games, and stay connected while playing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.